In this clip, we'll talk about different types of breast implants. There are two essential different types of implants. One implant is filled with a silicone gel, and the other implant is filled with salt water or saline. Traditionally, the silicone gel-filled implants have been the preference of most plastic surgeons because of the qualities of the gel, in that there is a better cohesiveness and softness, possibly less rippling, and a more natural feel to the implant. What happened was, in 1992, the silicone gel implants were taken off the market because there was concern that the silicone gel would potentially leak out of the implant and then cause diseases in the body. 16 years later, just a few years ago, it was decided to allow them to be released back onto the market again with certain restrictions, in that people would have to make sure to follow certain guidelines, as with being only over at 22 to have silicone gel-filled breast implants, and then having an MRI, which is a special type of X-ray done later in the future to make sure that there was no problem with the implant. And this after, of course, all of the evidence, weight of evidence, showed that it was very unlikely that there were serious systemic effects from the silicone breast implants.